Today we're going to continue with Module 2, Topic D, Lesson 15. Your learning target is to solve two-step word problems involving measurement conversions. So take a moment, pause your video, and write your learning target in your math journal. Solve two-step word problems involving measurement conversions. We're going to be using measurements for length, weight. We're going to be doing two-step word problems, so we'll have to solve a math problem and then add, subtract, multiply, or divide to another part of the word problem. So word problems are just stories that use math. They're the same computation you've done before. Solve two-step word problems involving measurement conversions. Our problem today, a pineapple is 7 times as large as an orange. The pineapple also weighs 870 grams more than the orange. A, what is the total weight in grams of the pineapple and the orange? B, express the total weight of the pineapple and orange in kilograms. So we're going to be converting grams to kilograms. First, you're going to have to figure out what is the weight of the pineapple and the orange. So the pineapple is 7 times the orange. So orange times 7 equals the pineapple. And we know that the pineapple weighs 870 grams more than the orange. So the pineapple's weight, here's the orange, and it's going to be plus 870. We're going to express that in grams, and then we're going to make it equal to our kilograms. Our first concept development is each costume needs 46 centimeters of red ribbon and 3 times as much yellow ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon needed for 64 costumes? And express your answer in meters. So we have centimeters, we're going to meters. Centimeters, converting it into meters. And we have 46 centimeters. And 3 times as much yellow ribbon. What's the total for 64 costumes? Okay, so 46 centimeters is your red ribbon. And 46 times 3 is going to be our yellow ribbon. You need to combine the two amounts of ribbon. So you need to know how much yellow ribbon. I'm going to look at, so if I multiply 46 times 3, 8, camera 1, 12, 13, so I have 138 centimeters for my yellow ribbon. 138 plus my 46 of my red, get 184 centimeters total of ribbon. That's for one costume. 184 centimeters equals one costume. I know how much for 64 costumes. Two-step word problem. So I'm going to take 184, and I'm going to multiply it times 64. 4 times 4, I get 16. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1, so 33. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Put a 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 2 is 50. Put it on top. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5. I've got 11. So I add that up. 6, 7, 7. 11,776. Make sure my commas are in the right place. That's not the answer I need. I need to know express my answer in meters. This is in centimeters. So 11,776 equals how many centimeters equals how many meters? Well, the formula for that is 11,776 divided by 100 equals, we're going to get 117 and 76 meters of ribbon for 64 costumes. That's what's needed. Let's look back at our problem of the day. It says a pineapple is 7 times as heavy as an orange. The pineapple also weighs 870 grams more than the orange. What is the total weight in grams for the pineapple and the orange? So we know that the pineapple weighs 7 times as much as the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are really big 7th sections. Let me erase some of that. And the orange, 1/7 weight of the pineapple. The pineapple weighs 870 grams more. So this entire section here, all this more, is 870 grams. Well, my question is, how much is 1/7 or the weight of 1 orange? And to solve that, I'm going to have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sections by the 870. And that'll get us the amount for 1 of our sections. So 6 will go into 8 1 time. Bring down the 7. 6 will go into 27 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 will go into 30 5 times. 30. So each of these sections is 145 grams. That means the orange weighs 145 grams. Well, now we need to figure out the weight of the pineapple. I know the pineapple is 870 plus the 145. So the weight of the pineapple is 1,015 grams. So 1,015 plus the weight of the orange, 1,160. Now, guys, remember that's grams. That's the weight of both the pineapple and the orange. I need to know what the weight is in kilograms. So 1,160 grams equals how many kilograms? And the formula for solving that is grams divided by 1,000. So we're going to divide 1,160 by power of 10, by 3 powers of 10. We'll get 1 and 1/16 kilograms. So a pineapple weighs 1,015 grams. The orange weighs 145 grams. Together, the total weight of the pineapple and the orange are 1,160 grams. The total weight of the pineapple and the orange in kilograms is 1 and 1/16 kilograms. Here's a practice problem for you. A truck driver unloaded the following cargo: 6 boxes that weighed 7 4/10 tons and 4 boxes that weighed 4 9/10 tons. How many pounds of cargo were unloaded? We need to first figure out the tons for both sets of boxes. So these larger boxes, these 7 4/10 tons boxes, would be 7 4/10 times 6, would be 24 for 6 times 4, carry your 2. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2, 44. Make sure we can, so 44 4/10 tons, and 4 9/10 tons times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 19. Again, decimal place. We're going to add up these two totals. 44 4/10 tons plus 19 6/10 tons. 10, 14, 64 tons even for the 2 sets of cargo, the 2 boxes. So our learning target today was to solve 2-step word problems involving measurement conversions.